about 2-3 things, and I would, I want to take this opportunity through you to reach out to our customers in Hyderabad about 2-3 very important concepts. But before that, I will just talk about innovation as a concept. As you know, we are in food services industry, restaurant industry, and Paradise Biryani and Kebabs have been known for many years, many decades. But today's customer wants choice and variety. They want something new because customers are more experimentative than what they were earlier. As a result of this, you would have seen Paradise innovating. We have a concept of having an innovation every quarter. So last quarter, which was July, August, September, we launched a successful innovation called Fiery Biryani and Fiery Kebab. The reason for that was that there are a set of customers who want high level of spice. So we created a product for those customers, and as the team will share with you, we had met with a great success, lot of good feedback we got. This quarter, which is a very important quarter for food services industry, October, November, December, festivities have begun. Hopefully we are keeping fingers crossed, no more impact of pandemic. We are seeing that consumer sentiment is going up, very positive. On the Diwali weekend, most restaurants were full, a lot of electronic shops, jewelry shops were full. So it is good to see that we are back to normal, because we have, as all, not only Hyderabad, the entire world has seen a difficult 2.5 years. It's good to see things are back to normal. And this quarter is a very important quarter for our industry, because customers go out and enjoy themselves. It's the end of the year, a lot of festivities, a lot of festivals coming through. So as part of our R&D effort, we thought that let's launch something to do with southern spices. And the reason for this is we know the southern market very well. So obviously Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra is something which is the home market for Paradise. But you are aware that we are present in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka as well over the last 5 to 7 years. And what we have realized that southern spices also have a very good response. A couple of years back, we launched a kebab called Chettinad Kebab. And today that has become a regular kebab in our menu. That gave us an idea saying, when you are giving new concepts to customer, we gave a high spice concept in last quarter. Let's give a southern spice concept, and that's where this whole name of Dakshin Khaas comes. It's Dakshin, it is south, it is Khaas because it is coming from Paradise, right? So I'm quite excited that we are launching this product, and this is coming at the right time. Definitely with you, we will try the product over lunch as well. So please give us feedback. I will personally collect feedback from you. This goes through a rigorous process of consumer testing. So we have customers who come to us every week, give us feedback. And when we introduce something on the menu, let me assure you, it is backed by a lot of research of months and sometimes in terms of quarters. So I think Mangesh will talk in more detail, but our R&D team, our chef team is really behind creating these great concepts. Now coming to two other important things which I wanted to talk to you about. You are aware that Paradise is growing, right? You have been part of the growth story. You cover us positively every time, and we are so thankful for that. Just to tell you, we are now 36 outlets in Hyderabad. Overall, we have reached 74 outlets across 20 cities. So as a Hyderabadi, we all feel very proud that a Hyderabadi brand is going places. There are a couple of things which come to customers' mind, and it is important that I use your platform to convey very transparently how we are growing, right? So one of the things people say that when you are growing, these are all franchisee outlets. And that is not without reason, because a lot of other brands are growing by franchisee route only. Not many brands grow by own equity route, as they say. So I want to convey the first thing is that all our stores, all our restaurants in Hyderabad, in the 20 cities, AP, Telangana, Calcutta, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Chennai, are company owned, company operated stores, right? So you see that we do not have any franchises. I just want to make sure that through your media that you sort of tell this customer, because it's a journey, right? For 70 years or 65 years, Paradise had only 4 or 5 outlets in Hyderabad. Today, in the last 2 years, we have gone up to 36 outlets. So of course, it's great, and customers love us, because a lot of customers we meet in various parts of Hyderabad are saying, "बहुत अच्छा हो गया, अब आप हमारे घर के पास आ गए." So that's the whole idea, right? Second thing, the concept I want to share with you is our passion for authenticity, right? So you must be seeing a lot of these outlets which are coming in various places. They are not as big as Secunderabad outlet, because this is it's almost like a very very old, and it's a monument in itself. The concept we are expanding with is that we have to go closer to the customer. Today, customer needs convenience, freshness. They should be able to not need to go too far in today's traffic and all that to reach Paradise. They should be able to take a takeaway, they should be able to order, and the order should be able to reach them in 15-20 minutes. So a lot of customers ask this question saying, your restaurants are close to us, they are all smaller restaurants, obviously 40 seaters, compact. Because when you are going close to the customer in neighborhood, you cannot have large stores like this, right? You have to be compact stores. So their question saying, the biryani must be cooked here in Secunderabad and sent to the stores. I again want to say through your medium that in every store that we have opened, every new store, the biryani is cooked fresh there, and we take a lot of pride in that. We believe that, and it is not only for Paradise. I think Hyderabad biryani Hyderabad की शान है, और हैदराबाद बिरयानी हैदराबाद की शान इसलिए है क्योंकि वो ऑथेंटिक तरीके से बनती है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आके बोलते हैं कि भाई बिरयानी है आधे घंटे में, 1 घंटे में. असली हैदराबादी बिरयानी आप सब लोग जानते हैं, more than 3 hours it take to make. And every batch we make, every store we make fresh dum biryani, which is cooked, meat and masala and rice is cooked together. कच्ची बिरयानी जिसे बोलते हैं, उसमें चीज़ें अलग अलग कुक नहीं होती. ये सारी मीट, मैरिनेशन, मसाला और राइस एक साथ कुक होता है along with all the ingredients. Chef is here and he will talk in detail about the products, but I want to emphasize through your media the fact that every outlet that we have opened in Hyderabad or outside cooks fresh biryani in the outlet. Of course, we have masalas and a lot of other things which are centrally procured, but cooking, there is absolutely no compromise on freshness. It is fresh cooking in every store, right? So these are the two concepts I wanted to share apart from announcing this launch. Thank you very much.
I would like to welcome you all for coming here for this new launch which we are talking about. And talking about the products, as we all know, Dakshin Khaas is the theme which we have taken. And it typically says that it is a southern spice theme which we have taken for this festival season. And we would like to I would just like to inform everybody that everybody knows that typical Hyderabadi biryani is got spices which is coming from chili powder and aromatic garam masala. But there are a lot of other southern spices which are also spicy, definitely, but they give very different taste than the Hyderabadi cuisine. And we would like to give our customers this novelty for trying new spices. Also simultaneously celebrate very typical local southern spices. So that's how we have taken southern theme, wherein Dakshin Khaas Biriyani actually takes roots from Chettinad cuisine, which has got a prime spice which is coming from black pepper. We've got a Dakshin Khaas Kebab which has got a prime spice which is coming from Kanthari, which is a bird's eye chili coming in from Kerala. So that's how we are promoting Kerala and Tamil Nadu spices along with the Hyderabadi cuisine. And there is one interesting fact which I would like to highlight here is we got a Chettinad cuisine style biryani, but it is actually cooked in Hyderabad. So it's a very good combination of Hyderabadi dum, kachi dum cooking style and Chettinad cuisine. So I would request everybody to please come and try the product. Also share the feedback so that we can improve on the next season. And thank you for coming on.
Hi all, it is my delight to invite all our customers and patrons in Hyderabad and 20 cities that we are present in to come and experience yet another innovation from Paradise. We are launching the combination of southern spice with Hyderabadi dum cooking called Khaas. We have launched the Khaas Biriyani as well as Khaas Kebab. So I am delighted to invite you during this festival season. I hope to get feedback and positive feedback about the brand. Thank you so much.